Hey guys, let's see how to get different languages on a keyboard on iPhone. Let's say, for example, you want to type something in a different language. You have the keyboard here and you see the different languages, right? When you click here on this globe, you see that it changes to English and other languages, right? Spanish and other languages that you have available here, right? It's just simple like this. But to have the languages available here, you need to come to your settings. And then you just go down to general. And here you look for keyboard. There we go. You have keyboards here. I have 5 of them, as you can see. I just tap here and I have Italian, English, and other ones, right? So I can just select here any one that I want to edit, or I can add a new keyboard. So I click here, add new keyboard, and I have different options, right? You see, there are a lot of them. You just need to select one and edit, right? As soon as you edit a new one, you're gonna see back there on the option, right? When you click here to use the keyboard with anything, you see the globe here, you click it and you see that it changes, right? So pretty easy. So that's the way you can get different languages on a keyboard using an iPhone. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.